Hello everybody, and welcome back to What's on My Longarm this week. Today I am stitching out a design called Collecting Coins, and it is the first time that I have used this design. It's brand new to me, and I'm stitching it out at an 8-inch height, which is what was recommended, and that makes these coins to be about 2 1/4 inches. So it's a pretty good sized pattern, and it's stitching out very quickly. And let me back up and show you a little bit more of the quilt that's here. And very fun, very modern looking project. This is another one that was done by my friend Sonia, and we are finishing up her quilts after she has passed away this fall and getting these back to her family. And she always liked quilting to stand out, and so I have chosen this bright green thread called Spring Bud in order to really have that quilting stand out. And she loved K-facet fabrics, and this is what she had chosen for the backing, so this green thread looks really good on that also. The other thing I wanted to point out is that since she was probably planning on quilting this one herself, her backing is just wide enough for use on when you quilt on a domestic machine. But on the long arm, I needed a little bit more room in order for these clamps not to get in the way. And so I attached a waist fabric to every side of the quilt. And here I have my little tub that I keep under my long arm, filled with strips that I can use, that I can attach anytime I need to make that backing a little bit larger. It also would work if you wanted to save on fabric, because once you trim your quilt and you have this 4 to 5 inches, you have more scraps to go into your stash. Now, if you could always use just a piece of waste fabric and reuse and reuse and reuse that, then you have less fabric scraps that you need to deal with. Just a thought. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.